Alright, it's what, 6:15, 13 past, just got in the water. We'll see how long it takes me to get a bass, eh? I think this is probably my first bass session of the season actually, a bit late. Bit puffed out from walking down that hill though. Far out. So I'll probably paddle up for a little bit and then see how we go. Good morning. I'm just using the neck mount again. First time using it in the kayak actually, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. Gonna have to face the kayak wherever I'm fishing, but I think it should be good. I brought me socks and thongs so you don't see me ugly toes, but yeah. Don't know if you've seen that, there's an eel just there over in the side, but there it is. Finally, man. Small one, but they're on the board. Oh, oh no, you're joking. This one's a bit better. See if I can land it. Ah, I need a bloody net. Slippery. Finally on the board. Don't have a tape. It's probably about 25 something. Just got a hit then. There we go. Only small. I need a net. Oh. It's about smaller than the other one. I've just put up on the sandbank here for a little break. Good little spot. I've got in my esky. I've got sandwich, some water. I'll use this for a chair. Bit of smoko on the job. Don't know how this chest mount's going to be like once I finish the editing and stuff, whether it's good or not. Hopefully, and I've been using loop mode, so I don't know if I've got every bit of footage, but yeah, we'll see. Oh, not even 20, probably like 15. I was just about to call it, and I got this tiny thing. Look at him, tiny as. Still pretty fun, but I decided to call it a morning. I've caught about 6 bass. They're all quite small, but good morning session, I reckon. Now to trek it back up here. I've recorded this all on the neck mount, as you can see, and I'm editing it all on the phone, so see how I go.